a good shop. What is this shop called? Let me go out and turn around and get a shot of the name of the shop. Oh, here it is. Chokdi shop. I laugh because Chokdi means good luck. Chokdi. Yeah, nice. Good luck shop. Okay, we'll be back. So here's an interesting little shop where I found some batik clothing style for the Peranakan, which is in this area in Phuket. You see this little outfit, baju kurung, and you can have this for 150 baht, which is a good price, and they have some nice designs. So this is much nicer than that. Go for this, don't go for that Thai style stuff. So this is batik, and batik is a style of designing the fabric, which is really interesting. This is a men's shirt. This is a men's shirt, and you know, it has this batik style. This is a long sleeve, which can be formal wear in Indonesia. This is not necessarily Thai, but we're in southern Thailand in Phuket, so it is that style. And so the colors as well are quite nice for the Peranakan pinks and greens. You can see the pinks and greens and blues and oranges, and you can see that on their batik style, and you can see it in the pottery, which I haven't come to. So here's a nice, look at that beautiful top. That's nice. Yeah. And if you have ever taken Singapore Airlines, you would notice that the flight attendants wear that two-piece outfit. So that's where you can see something that looks familiar. They're up here. Yep. They're really quite pretty. So Yanto's got a family member on the phone and talking about buying some of these perhaps. Checking out the styles, checking out the sizes. 3 sizes they have, small, medium, and large. And you can see the different colors are beautiful, put together very nicely. Look at that. You're like, when am I going to wear that? Where would I wear that? Let's see. I think, you know, the pale pink is pretty nice. Well, maybe not. But it's a nice costume. They have a lot of different designs and colors. Here's the owner guy here. He told us there are 3 sizes and lots of choices and fabrics and designs. Yep, lots to look at. Very nice. That's so Yanto's got a family member on the phone, and so I decided to get two of these, 2 batik, and these are actually what, Yanto?
This one's
More Indonesian. It's a wrap. It's an Indonesian wrap. Batik Ratna Dewi. That's the brand. 2 meters each.
Ratna Dewi is more Indonesian.
Yep. And so I bought 2 of these. He's giving me my change back. Kop kung krap. Thank you. And that's it. So I made those 2 choices. Very good. Am I going to wear them? Nope. Am I going to put them on the table as a runner? Probably. Or put it on the couch because it's nice. That's it. And back out into the street scene. Am I going to put them on the table as a runner?